Hello everyone, I am here to do a little unboxing of this package that I got from Bling It On Nails. I found her on Instagram. She has an Etsy website, so I'm going to go ahead and put all that information down below in the description as well. So let's go ahead and open this package. And I just want to let you guys know I ordered this from her website about I want to say 2 or 3 days before Christmas. So it got here pretty fast, but with the holidays and everything, I just didn't get to filming this until now. So this is what it looks like in bubble envelope. And I did actually communicate with her through Instagram direct message, so that was easy to do as well. So here is my order. And again, I'll put her information down in the description so you guys know where to look for her items. So it's press-on nails. And I've had my Christmas nails on for a little bit before Christmas. I think it was like a week and a half before Christmas, so I do need to change my nails out. Okay, this is what her packaging looks like. And it says follow the using steps, use the double-sided stickers, and then it says use nail glue, and then there's a few steps there. And then she has her Instagram QR code, and that one's for her Etsy store. Okay, so here is what I ordered. I hope I ordered them right. I just did it off of her website, so you can see there is a chart. And then here's that. It says, thank you for your purchase. Follow me on Instagram for new promotions to my Etsy store, which is what I think I did. And I wasn't expecting to get it until like maybe after the holidays, but she did it right away. And I'm really thankful for that. So thank you very much for doing that for me. Oh, it looks like these ones up here, it says extra size 1 and 8. So there's a few extra sizes in there for me, which is great. I like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to take it out of the package so it's not glaring on the... It's not glaring on the camera. I hope you guys had a good holiday. And I don't know where you guys are at, but it's been snowing off and on here. Pretty cold. There we go. I can see it better. Look at the detailing. And then there's rhinestones on these ones. And this is like chrome looking, and it's green, which is exactly what I wanted. I believe this set here was on her website, so I got those, and then I had her custom make these ones for me, and I wanted to get these ones green because I want it for St. Patrick's, so I'm gonna wear those ones in March. Very cute. I like them. Thank you. And when I looked on her Etsy, she has quite a few on there. So just not this style. There's different styles as well. So it's custom made to order as well. So you have a different style preference than these. There's plenty on there. And like I said, very easy to communicate with. So that's great. Okay, and I'll show you the rest of the things that she sent. And this is her application package. It says thank you. And I'll just open this too. So alcohol prep pad. And again, if you guys know, just prep your nails before you try to put them on. If you're going to use the sticky tabs or if you're going to put them on with nail glue. Push back your cuticles, trim your nails, shape your nails so it can fit good underneath your press-ons. And then here are some sticky tabs. So there's like 2 application worth of using the sticky tabs, which is great because again, you guys get to be able to reuse the nails. Just take care of them. And here's a nail file. And also a nail glue. And a wood stick. So you push your cuticles back. And then if there's needs to be cleanup around the edges, you can use this side here. And then a little buffer. Great to prep your nails. Make sure you clean them very well before you put on your press-on nails. And then I wasn't expecting this as well. She put a second one in there for me. And then it looks like there's a little bit of something in there. Let me go ahead and see what that is. Pretty much the same thing as what I got in here, just except for this extra little information. So she put, thank you for supporting my small business. Follow me on Instagram at Bling_Nails88 for new products and promotions. And then I also got a code for my next purchase for a 20% off on my order, which is awesome. And it says, if you like my product, review is much appreciated. So I am going to do a review on Etsy for her as well. And I can't wait to use these. I just want to let you know that I'm going to put the description down in the box. Again, very detailed, very cute, you guys. I like how everybody's information is always on the back or somewhere, and it gives you step by step as well. So I just wanted to come on here and let you know what my next application process is going to be like. As you can tell, I'm still wearing my Christmas nails, and right before I started this video, this one popped off. So yeah, they're ready to come off. And I can't wait to try these ones. I know this one has snowflakes in them, but it's still winter. Who says you can't not wear that? And I got these ones a little bit shorter because, I don't know, gonna try that one out, and these ones seem like they're a little bit longer, so I'll be wearing both of them. But this one I'm saving for March, and then this one I'll probably wear after I take this set off. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and check her out. And she did also give me information about tracking through Etsy. So I got email notifications, so I didn't miss anything out on that. So I hope you guys get to see her page and go and support her. And if I find anything else as far as other social sites, I will be sure also to link that as well. And I just want to know if you guys have seen her or if you follow her. Just put the information in the comments and I'll try to respond to you as well. Again, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good evening. And again, thank you, Hailey, for sending me this and doing it during the crazy times of Christmas. So I appreciate that. Thank you. And see you guys later.